So Dr. Hartman, if you want to pick a sensor, any sensor.
So what's it doing right now?
So right now it's just in an idle phase until a sensor registers which marker you want to pick.
Alright.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
the trip to sensor.
yeah. Got it. Thank you. And right now, drew a triangle, so it's going to replace the marker. And it knows where to replace the marker because every time it picks up a marker, each one or position raises the counter by 1, 2, or 3. And then based on that register, that number in the register counter, it will return to that same position register.
So how's it deciding what shape and where to draw it at?
The shapes are set specifically, that's the main program. The only thing that you can alter is which marker you want.
So if I would have chosen, so if I choose this sensor, I'm still going to get the third shape,
Yes.
even though I'm going to get the red marker. Okay, and you had what, 3 shapes, right?
Yeah.
So
as you can see, I did not touch up that circle correctly, but the concept is there.
You made it hard.
well, it's always an issue trying to write with the robots, and if you press too hard, then it also that's the end of the program.
Yes,
now?
that is the end of the